First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer movies from iPhone to Windows laptop, run the software. Connect your iPhone to your Windows laptop via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Data on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Click Videos, Movies from the left side, Preview, and choose the movies you want to transfer. After that, click Export, select a location on your Windows laptop to save them, then click OK.